Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this fire text effect on CapCut PC. I'm just going to add this fire background first. Just going to wait for that to load. I'm just going to leave it. Then add in your text, and I'm just going to type in the word fire. Adjust the font size, and I'm going to make this like a little bit bigger. Is this not loading? I don't know why it's not loading. Hold on. What about this? It's not what I want though. What about this one? Okay, that's like good enough. Then you're going to select the actual text and you're going to add in this orange color. You can add in any that you want. I'm also going to add shadow for this one because of the background. Right click, create compound clip, then go to effects and type in just fire and start adding every single effect that they have on there that's related to fire. If you don't like the background and you prefer it underneath, over a black background, you can do that, or you can go to opacity and make it like darker. And that's pretty much it really. You can add animation to that if you'd like to. So if you went to animation here, you can definitely add some animations. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!